5 deadly boxing combinations that are only designed to be thrown for the knockout. Let's go over them. These are 5 boxing combinations that fighters use to set you up, to take you out so that they can go out and celebrate with a victory night, drink champagne, and do what they do. Let's get into combo number 1. This is one of my favorite combinations and a combo that I've actually used to put people to sleep when I was back in the day when I was fighting. The reason why it's effective is because it can be thrown at a long range or short range. And of course, it's that lead hook with the step in. Check it out. This combination is typically thrown off a light right hand or a straight right hand, and then a very quick aggressive step forward. So here's how it looks. A right hand, then a quick step and aggressive lead hook. It's gotta be sharp and it's gotta be fast. It looks like this. So you're blocking, you see a hole. When you throw that right hand, there's a little bit of a drop that gets you into that lead hook side. And you land that lead left hook. That puts people to sleep. I've done it. It works. It's highly effective. Don't get touched on the way out though. Number 2, I love it because it's a double jab overhand right. Now, Roy Jones Jr. probably still has nightmares about this overhand right, but the double jab, when you throw it, moving to your rear side, typically you're moving into, you're bringing your opponent into your overhand right, your number 8. When you throw it, it has to be strong. It's gonna be tight on the inside. When you throw it, make sure you duck or defensively move and get out the way. It looks like this. The 1-1-8 double jab overhand right, it's thrown to knock you out. That's what Mama said. Let's get into combo number 3, which again is one of my favorite combinations because it works the body up into the head, so it's a different changing of levels. This is the jab, cross, lead hook, cross to the body. 1, 2, 3, cross to the body. The jab, the cross, the lead hook, the cross to the body. Now that 2, again, is meant to stop you with that body shot straight down the middle or open you up to throw the hook up top. It looks like this. If you see a hole up top, you simply throw the hook. Once again, when you throw it with power and speed, it's bad intentions and it's only meant to knock you out. Number 4, a Mike Tyson style combination. Check this out. One thing you'll recognize is when you watch Tyson videos, he usually does things in 3s. So his footwork was usually in a 3. 1, 2, 3, release. 1, 2, 3, release. If you watch his videos now, you'll see that's a common thing. One of his favorite combinations for the knockout was to get in with the 1, 2, 3, was a 4 and a 6, working the body and the uppercut. Again, the purpose, dropping your hands and finishing strong, and then getting in a nice little duck at the end to get back out of danger. That is combination number 4. The hook to the body, rear uppercut, a little bit of a loop-de-loop or a roll to get out and get back to work. Love that combo, highly effective. Number 5 of your 5 deadly boxing combos for the knockout is off of a roll or a duck to your lead side to throw that hook or a 2 or 3 punch combination. The reason why this is highly effective is because you often throw it when your fighter is against the ropes. 70% of knockouts happen on the ropes. When your fighter is square, when you're fighting somebody and their feet are square against the ropes, you know they can't react as fast. When you see it, you throw distraction punches. You can take a small step over as if you're gonna come out. I think that they're gonna step out. And as you do that, throw the lead hook. That is a crazy way for you to knock out people on the ropes. I've done it. It feels great to land that shot, but it also gets you out of danger because you're spinning away from them to allow you to reset and go back to work. Use those 5 deadly boxing combinations to go for the knockout. The next time you're sparring or in a boxing match, work them on the heavy bag. It's great. Those are 5 great combos to add to your toolbox and of course, make you feel a little more badass on the heavy bag. Use them. Let me know how they go. I'll see you for the next one.